Good morning, students. 7th class science. We were reading chapter number 7. Today we are reading about adaptation. We read about the adaptation in animals which are living in the polar regions. Today we will read about the adaptation in animals to the tropical rainforest. Which animals are living in the tropical rainforest? How they are adapting themselves to live in that environment? Tropical rainforest. Firstly, we have read about the polar region. Polar regions are situated around the poles, and where the tropical rainforests are situated, they are situated around the equator. In the polar regions, environment is very cool, atmosphere is very cold, and here temperature is in between 15 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Means they are hot and humid. Hot and humid environment is there, atmosphere is there, and plenty of rainfall is also there. Due to warmth and humidity, due to this hot and humid environment, large variety of plants and animals are living in the tropical rainforest. In the tropical rainforest, large variety of plants and animals are living. Firstly, we will read about them. Animals living in the rainforest. A large number of animals live in the rainforest. Large animals such as Indian elephant, rhinoceros, tigers, leopards, deer, sheep, goats, bear, wild cattle, they are living in the tropical rainforest. And some small animals are also living, like monkeys, birds, snakes, rodents, frogs, lizards. They are also living in the tropical rainforest. Next is adaptation in feeding habits, means what they are eating, these animals. Although the animals in the tropical rainforest have wide variety of food available, large amount of food is available in the rainforest, because many trees are present, grass is also there, so animals can eat that things. But there is a lot of competition for food. But large amount of, if food is in large amount, then animals are also, a wide variety of animals are also there, so there is a competition for the food in between the animals. As a result, many animals have adapted to particular food which are not eaten by other animals. Many animals are there which are eating that food which are not eaten by other animals, means different food they are eating. These animals have developed several methods for obtaining the food. How they are obtaining their food? Many methods are there. These animals have developed several methods for obtaining the food. They are by the different method they are obtaining their food. Most tropical rainforest animals are herbivores. Mostly which animals are living in the rainforest, that animals are called herbivores. Now what are the herbivores? Herbivores are that which are eating only plants. Herbivorous, that animals which are eating only grass or plants, eating only plants, that are called herbivores. Mostly which animals are living in the rainforest, that are herbivorous, due to the plenty of vegetation around them, because in the forest large amount of plants are available. The bird toucan has long and large beak. See their figure given. This is the bird toucan, has long and large beak. This is called the beak. This helps it to reach the fruits on the branches of the trees on which it cannot sit. On which branch of tree it cannot sit, by its beak it can catch the food from that branch. Next is adaptation in living. Most tropical rainforest animals walk on the land on their 4 feet. Means mostly which animals are there, they are that are 4 feet animals, and they can walk on the ground. Many animals are adapted to live on the forest. Some animals are that which are living on the trees. These animals which live on the trees, that are called arboreal. Underline this, what are arboreal? The animals which live on the trees are called arboreal. Monkey, red-eyed frog, these are arboreal because these are living on the trees. Monkey use their arms and legs and even their tails to swing from a tree to the another tree. Means it is going from one tree to the another tree directly from the trees. How? By using their tail or by using their arms and legs. Red-eyed frog have sticky pads on the tips of their digits, and these sticky pads helps them to climb on the trees. How it is climbing on the trees? By their sticky pads. Sticky pads means which will stick with the branches of the trees. Birds are also adapted to roost on the trees. What is the meaning of roost? Roost means sleep or to take rest. Means birds can sleep or they can take rest on the trees. They are sleeping also on the trees. Next is adaptation in sense organs. The animals living in the tropical rainforest have sensitive hearing. Means their hearing power is very large. By very small voice they can listen. Next is sharp eyesight. Their eyesight, the eyesight of animals are also very sharp. That is. Next is skin color which blends with the surrounding, called camouflaging. Some animals are there, they are having features in which environment they are living, their skin color will match with that environment so that they cannot be noticed by the predators. This feature is called camouflage. All these properties help them to locate their prey. By this they can locate the prey, they can see their prey and protect themselves from the predators because they cannot be seen. Thank you.